Yeah, y'all know what it is. Up here in Conroe, Texas, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't never seen it look like this at night, you know what I'm saying? The new stickers. VP, Vice President, with the Z, not the C, or the S. It depends on how the people want to spell theirs. But there you go. Yeah. Doing that thug thizzles. Yeah, she looking mean. So, since I've been having this truck, I never gave it a name. So, do I have any takers on a name for her? Oh, yeah. First and foremost, rest in peace, nephew, Dante D. Champ. Love you, nephew. Love you. Yeah. Follow us. Hands Full of Cash on YouTube. Yeah, y'all never got to look, see her looking all nice and spiffy and clean. But check out the flakes, though. Y'all see them flakes? Y'all see those flakes? Look at those flakes. Uh-huh. It's to be looked at, not touched. It's to be looked at, not touched. Yeah, them flakes. They saying something to you. And there's Dudley boy. There's Dudley boy. Shining his thing up, you know what I'm saying? Shining Big Jacques up. That's Big Jacques. Bojack, I'm sorry. Big Bojack. I said it wrong, didn't I? Y'all see that license plate? It says Jacques. Yeah. Y'all understand how to pronounce it because, you know, you got to be from New Orleans or, you know, somewhere up in that area to know what it means. You know this, man. Chino. Wiping it down, wiping it down. Got Jonathan with the Beamer. She nasty. All black. You know what I'm saying? And then there's little Dudley. Then there's little Dudley boy. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be like me with the green. You know what I'm saying? He learning. He learning. He catching on. He catching on with the green.
Go ahead and light it up, Benzo. Turn it on, show some high performance.
Oh, hell. I know he had lights in the window.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, we all lit up then. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We ain't playing no games. HFC is coming with it. We ain't playing no games. See how that back wheel stick out? Look at that back wheel. Y'all see that back wheel? Yeah, boy. On the BMW. Yes. Uh-huh. Y'all better ask somebody. Y'all better ask somebody. On the Beamer. You know, they used to say BMW stand for black man's wife. No. Stands for back your ass up off my wife. Oh shit, I'm stupid. Don't pay me no mind, y'all. I done had a little too much to drink on the way down here. That was a long drive. That was a long drive. At least I felt like it was long. Yeah. Like that. Well, that's enough for y'all. Ooh, look at that. I shine the motherfuckers so good you can see me in the paint job. Hey, now. Yeah, you can see me up in there. That's how clean it is.